Hi everybody, Marco here with M&R Printing Equipment, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your capping station on your QUATRO DTF machine, which is also something that you're going to be doing every single day after you're done running production. So to begin doing our basic capping station maintenance on the QUATRO DTF machine, the first thing that we need to go ahead and do is access the capping station. And in order to do that, I'm going to go into my Print EXP program and I'm going to press and hold the left arrow button at the top of the screen. So a couple items that you're going to need to perform your basic capping station maintenance on your QUATRO are going to be poly wipes, a couple wipe balls, some foam tip swabs, a volume syringe that will come in your cleaning kit as well, and then also some of the M&R QUATRO cleaning solution that I have actually poured into the cap so I don't contaminate my bottle. So the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to grab one of my foam tip swabs and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dip it into the cleaning solution and I'm going to start working on the white print head capping station caps and the wiper blades. And the main focus that I'm going to be worried about is getting all the dry ink that's going to be on the edge of the wipers and then cleaning off the actual edge of the capping station cup, because that needs to stay nice and clean in order to go ahead and properly be air sealed up against the bottom of the print head when it caps. Now when you're doing this, you don't have to be completely gentle. You may need to give it a little bit of pressure to kind of clean up all of the excess dry ink that's on there. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to leave the solution on the wipers and I'm going to redip and I'm going to worry about the caps now. And as you can see, as I'm wiping, I'm getting rid of all of the dry ink that's going to be right on top of that seal. So I'm also going inside, cleaning up the plastic cover just a little bit, creating a little bit of foam, dip again, and I'm going to repeat the same thing on this one. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a second I'm going to take a second foam tip swab and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work on the two color caps and the two color wipers as well. You will notice that the color wipers and caps are going to be much easier to clean. Now that those are done, I'm going to go ahead and take one of my wipe balls and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean off and wipe the caps off and I'm going to wipe the wiper blades off. It's very important when you're doing this that you get any loose ink out of the way and off the caps. I'm going to fold to a clean section. I'm going to repeat that on the colored side as well. Next, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to push up and down on each cap just to make sure that I have good pressure and a good spring popping them back up. Once that's complete, we're almost done doing our basic capping station maintenance for the end of the day on the machine. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take your volume syringe and you're going to go ahead and you're going to fill it up with a little bit of cleaning solution, because what we're going to do is we're going to come in through here and we're going to fill up each cap with solution so we can wet cap it at the end of the night. So you're just gonna put a little bit in just to fill it to the top of the brim, and that's all you'll need. Just like that. I'm gonna remove my dirty solution and dispose of it properly. So once you're happy with your capping station and you've gone through and cleaned it thoroughly, there's only one more step that you need to do to be finished with your machine and get it shut down for the end of the day. So what you need to do is you need to take the print carriage, you need to bring it back over the capping station. And in order to do that, you're just gonna go up here and you're gonna click on X Reset in the Print EXP software. So once I click on it, the print carriage will automatically come back over the capping station, rehome itself, and once that is done and set, I can actually go ahead and I can exit my Print EXP software. And what this will do for me is it'll actually cap the print carriage overnight, so that way everything stays nice and wet capped throughout the night. Thank you for watching our video about our QUATRO DTF machine. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, or you can reach us at mrprint.com, and all of the information is going to be below in this video.